Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Rayan Daily English,
where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with all of you today.
I am so glad you are here, Tom. I was just thinking about how a simple thing like a morning coffee can change a whole day.
Oh, you are absolutely right. For me, the smell of fresh coffee in the kitchen is the best part of waking up.
It really is. The warm cup in your hands just makes everything feel peaceful and calm.
Exactly. It gives you a few quiet minutes before the busy day begins.
Yes, and I love when the coffee tastes exactly the way I like it.
That is a true victory. Do you prefer your coffee with milk or completely black?
I like it with just a little bit of milk and no sugar. What about you?
I like it dark and strong. It wakes up my mind instantly and gives me good energy.
That is great. It is funny how such a small drink can bring so much joy.
It really does. It's one of those tiny moments that makes life feel lighter.
Yes, exactly. And another thing I love is weekend mornings with no alarms.
Oh, that is pure magic. Waking up naturally when the sun enters the room is a beautiful feeling.
I completely agree. No loud, angry sounds to wake you up from a good dream.
Yes, you can just open your eyes slowly and realize you have nowhere to rush.
That realization is the absolute best. You can just stay in bed and relax.
I sometimes stay under the blankets for an extra 20 minutes just to enjoy the warmth.
Me too. It feels like a small luxury that does not cost any money at all.
That is true. It gives you a very positive feeling for the rest of the weekend.
Do you usually make a big breakfast on those mornings, Tom?
Sometimes I do. I like making fresh eggs and warm toast when I have time.
Oh, the smell of warm toast is another wonderful, simple pleasure.
Yes, especially with some sweet butter melting on top of it.
Wow, now I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. Food always brings a lot of happiness to a simple day.
It really does. And speaking of weekends, I also love wearing comfortable clothes on those days.
Oh, yes. Soft sweatpants and a giant loose t-shirt are perfect.
Yes, changing into comfortable clothes after a long day of work is the best.
I agree completely. When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my heavy shoes. That feels so liberating.
It's like you're leaving the stress outside the house.
Exactly. Your home becomes a place of pure relaxation and comfort.
And taking a hot shower right after a long, tiring day makes it even better.
Oh, definitely. The hot water just washes away all the fatigue from your muscles. I love standing under the water and just closing my eyes for a minute.
It feels like a mini vacation for your body and your mind.
Yes, exactly. You enter the shower tired and you come out feeling completely new.
It's amazing how water can change your energy so fast.
I always feel so clean and ready to relax for the evening. That feeling of being clean and wearing fresh pajamas is unmatched.
Yes, especially when the sheets on the bed are also freshly washed.
Oh, that's a double win. Fresh clothes and fresh sheets are incredible.
It makes you sleep so deeply and peacefully.
Truly, these small things don't seem like much, but they change your whole mood.
They really do, and it feels even better when you had a very productive day before that.
Oh, yes, when you finish everything you plan to do.
Looking at your list and seeing all the tasks crossed off is so satisfying.
Curious, do you like to use a paper list or a digital one on your phone?
I prefer a paper list. Crossing things out with a pen feels much better.
I agree. There is something special about the physical action of crossing it out.
Yes, it makes you feel like you achieved something real.
Even achieving small goals like cleaning a room or organizing a shelf feels great.
It does. It brings order to your life and makes your space feel nice.
A clean space definitely helps to create a clean and peaceful mind.
Exactly. I always feel more relaxed when my living room is organized. Do you find it easy to keep things organized during a busy week?
To be honest, it can be hard sometimes when I'm very busy.
That is completely normal. But when you finally do it, the reward is wonderful.
Yes, it feels like a fresh start and it gives you energy to focus on other things.
That is so true. Another thing that gives me a lot of positive energy is interacting with people.
In what way? Like talking to friends?
Yes, but also just smiling at strangers on the street and getting a smile back.
That is a beautiful moment. It makes the world feel a lot friendlier.
Exactly. It's a tiny, silent connection with another person.
It reminds us that we are all human and we share this world together.
Yes. Sometimes a stranger's smile can completely change a bad day. Has that ever happened to you, Tom?
Yes, it has. One day I was feeling very stressed about work and an old Nan smiled warmly at me.
Wow, that is really sweet. Did it make you feel better?
It did. It made me realize my problems were not the end of the world.
That is beautiful. Making someone smile is truly a great gift.
It costs nothing, but it can mean everything to someone who is having a hard time.
I agree. It feels just as good to give a smile as it does to receive one.
Yes, exactly. Hey, Emily, speaking of making people smile, can I share something with our listeners?
Of course, Tom. Go ahead.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
That is great. And if you're still listening, comment coffee below.
I love that. Let us see how many of our listeners love coffee as much as we do.
Yes, it will be fun to see the comments. We have such a supportive community here.
We really do. Having supportive people around you is another huge blessing in life.
It truly is. Knowing that someone has your back makes you feel safe and confident.
Yes, friends who listen to you and celebrate your success are very precious.
And it's wonderful when you feel completely understood by someone.
You mean when you don't even have to finish your sentence?
Yes, they just look at you and know exactly what you were thinking.
That is the best feeling. It shows a very deep and special connection.
It takes time to build those relationships, but they are worth everything.
Completely. I love having long, meaningful conversations with those kinds of friends.
Do you usually talk about deep topics or just funny things?
A mix of both. We can talk about the meaning of life and then laugh about a silly joke.
That is the perfect balance. It keeps the relationship strong and joyful.
Yes, and to have those conversations, it is important to put the phones away.
Oh, definitely. Taking breaks from social media is so important for real connection.
Is it hard for you to disconnect from your phone, Emily?
Sometimes it is, because we're so used to checking it all the time.
I know what you mean. We always look for new messages or notifications. But when I leave my phone in another room, I feel a deep sense of peace.
It allows you to be fully present in the moment and enjoy your surroundings.
Exactly. You notice the sounds, the light, and the people around you much more.
Although, I must admit, watching funny videos on my phone can be a nice little break too.
Oh, absolutely. Laughter is the best medicine for a stressful day.
A funny video of a cute animal always makes me smile, no matter what.
Yes, it gives you a quick dose of happiness in just a few seconds.
So, a little bit of social media is okay as long as it makes us laugh.
Exactly. It's all about balance. Another great way to relax is reading a good book.
Oh, yes. Getting lost in a wonderful story is like traveling without moving.
I love finding a book that is so interesting you cannot put it down.
What kind of books do you like to read the most?
I love mystery stories and books about history. They're so fascinating.
That sounds cool. I prefer adventure stories or books that teach me new things.
Reading is such a beautiful hobby. It expands your mind and your vocabulary.
Yes, it's a great way to discover a new hobby or learn about a different culture. Speaking of hobbies, have you started any new ones recently, Tom?
Yes, actually, I started doing some simple gardening on my balcony.
Wow, that's wonderful. What are you growing there?
Just some small green plants and some fresh herbs for cooking.
Oh, that's excellent. Smelling fresh herbs while you cook must be amazing.
It really is. And seeing the small plants grow a little bit every day is so rewarding.
It connects you with nature, even if you live in a big city.
Yes, enjoying nature is so important for our well-being.
I love taking long walks in the park when the weather is warm and nice.
Walking among the trees and feeling the fresh air is the best way to clear your mind.
It helps you slow down and appreciate the beauty of the world.
So much time we spend looking at screens, we forget to look at the trees and the sky.
That is so true. Nature always reminds me to be grateful for the present moment.
It really does. And speaking of practicing and enjoying the present moment, it gives you a unique opportunity to practice the English you just learned with us today. It is an essential tool to help you achieve fluency much faster.
Exactly. You can chat about your day, your hobbies, or anything you want, and the link to access it is in the video description.
That is wonderful. It's like having a friendly conversation partner in your pocket all the time.
Yes, it makes learning so much more relaxed and natural. I agree. Now, Tom, let's talk about another great feeling, receiving unexpected good news.
Oh, that is the best surprise. Your phone rings or you open an email and it is something wonderful.
Yes, like finding out you passed an exam or getting a sweet message from an old friend.
It makes your heart feel so light and happy instantly. It can make a regular boring day feel like a special celebration.
Yes, you just want to jump up and down and tell everyone about it.
I love sharing good news with my close friends. It makes the joy even bigger.
Absolutely. Joy is meant to be shared with the people we love. And even small surprises like finding money in an old coat pocket are fantastic.
Oh, that is a classic. You put your hand in the pocket and find some cash you forgot about.
It feels like a free gift from your past self.
Yes, exactly. It always puts a big smile on my face.
Those little moments bring back happy memories of other good times.
Remembering happy memories is another beautiful way to enjoy the present.
Yes, looking at old photographs or talking about funny things from the past.
It reminds us of how much good stuff we've experienced in our lives.
It helps us stay positive about the future, too.
Exactly. Life has its challenges, but it also has so many beautiful, simple moments.
We just need to open our eyes and appreciate them every day.
Well said, Emily. This conversation has been so pleasant and relaxing.
I agree, Tom. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too and feel inspired to notice the small things today.
Me too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know your favorite simple pleasures.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.